Hi everyone, this is the Cello Brown book, page 23, number 57, 3 counts each. We are learning about the dotted half note, which gets 3 counts. Not like the half note, which gets 2, and not like the whole note, which gets 4. This one gets 3. So let's just get used to bowing for that long and counting that in our head. So we're going to put our bow all the way up here. Oops, but don't hit the ceiling like I did. And we're just going to bow a down bow 3 beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Back up. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to play number 57, 3 counts each. Simple notes, we know these already. D, E, A, D. And there is a repeat sign, so we're going to do it 2 times. Here we go. Let's play it together. See if you can use your whole bow. So it'll go like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's actually do that together. Here we go. Open D string. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now do that on the G string. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Ooh, I like how that resonates afterwards. See if you can get yours to continue to make a big sound. Just when you're playing this for right now. Okay, but now we're going to do 3 counts each. We're going to start at the beginning. Make sure that we do the repeat. Here we go. Fingers are ready. Fingers are nice and curved. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Excellent job. Let's do it faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice job. See how fast you can do it. Great job, guys.